What's up, guys? Omar, Truth to Progression. So, can you look at a situation and take yourself out of it and look at it from a different side? Can you remove yourself, like legitimately take yourself completely outside of the picture and have a completely indifferent opinion about what's going on, and an unbiased opinion, and have the ability to look at it from others and say, you know, I can understand that. I can relate to that. I get that. That makes sense. Maybe I didn't think about it this way. Maybe I didn't think about it that way. There's different sides to every situation. It doesn't have to always be a one focused deal. And I'm probably going to ramble here for a minute, so just bear with me because I'm trying to process everything I've got, and the only way to get it out is to just let it out. And so for me to do that, I just got to let it go. And this is a perfect example as to what I've been trying to tell everybody. It doesn't matter what it is. Doesn't matter what the situation is. Let it out. Let it flow. Let it be what it is. Be raw, be real, be natural. Let it flow. But if you can't take yourself and be unbiased and look at a situation, and you continue to just blame others, or you continue to just say that I didn't do it, they did it, or she said it, he said it, they did it, whatever it is, there's other angles and there's other things that we inadvertently don't look at because it's our own fault. It's our own self-realization that we don't want to acknowledge that, hey, maybe we did do something wrong. Maybe we did mess up. Maybe we did say something we shouldn't have said, or maybe we could have done something different. Maybe the situation I'm in could have been different. Maybe I don't have to do things this way. Maybe I can do things that way. There's different angles, and a lot of people just assume that they know everything that goes on. They assume they know every outcome. They assume they know every story, and everything that they've heard from others becomes facts in their minds, when in all reality, it's just like playing telephone. Everybody thinks they know the truth. Everybody thinks they know everything that goes on around them and what was said and exactly how it was said, and it doesn't. It doesn't. And because you sit there and you try and force it and say, no, that this is how it is. It's a one-track mind. It's a one-focused goal, and this is the only way it is, and it's not going to be any different because I say so. Well, it doesn't work that way. That's not the way the world is. That's not the way the rest of everybody is. That's not the way situations are handled or resolved. So when you look at a situation, when you look at an incident or a story or what has happened in the past or what's happened currently, understand that we are not perfect. Nobody is. There's not one person on this this freaking planet, whatever the hell this place is called, that is perfect. And you walking around like you're judgment free and you're all almighty and you can do all these. I'm telling you, it's not. You don't do anything but make yourself look dumb. Accept the things that you may or may not have done. You may not like it. You may not like the person that you really are. And that could be the underlying issue, is that you can't accept your own faults. We are all imperfect. We all mess up. We all screw up. We all do dumbass things. But at the end of the day, the whole point of it is, did you learn? Did you grow from it? Did you make the mistake and then do something different to make sure you didn't do it again? Or are you still walking the same damn path? Are you still going to do the same thing and repeat the same things that you've always done that got you the same situation? It's the definition of insanity. It's the same thing. Grow from it. Learn from it. Change the things that you do so that you don't end up with the same thing. Why do you want the same thing every single time? If you don't change your habits, you don't change your actions, if you don't change the way that you process things and try and open your mind and your heart to new ways and new ideas, then you're going to be stuck in the same road, the same path until the end of time. And then you're going to get to a point where you look back and you're like, what the hell have I done with my life? Where's time gone? Where'd the last 10 years go? How did I get to this point that I'm this age and I've got nothing going for my life? Ask yourself. Stop asking other people. Stop blaming others for your own issues or your own falls or your own faults. Take accountability for your own actions. Own it. Own it, fix it, live it. Thanks for listening. I'll be done with my rant. See y'all next time.